Okay, you guys, welcome to another day in my boring life vlog. It's Sabbath, which means we don't work today. So usually we go for a nature walk or we relax at home, which we did this morning because it's like 1 o'clock now. We're going on a bike ride and we're going to take you guys to the Pinellas Bike Trail. That is what we do on the Sabbath. I'm going to actually do a video showing you how I get ready for the Sabbath and what it's all about and how I keep it. And we'll probably let that come out next week, Friday. But today we're going on a bike trail. Cedric's putting the bikes on the car. The dogs are hanging out. So let's get started. All right, you know what that sound means. Time to go to the Batmobile, then to the trail. Okay, we made it to what we thought was a trail, but it is a trail, but it's like running parallel to like a busy street, and it's like 1,000 bikes on there. So let's see how that is the path. Everybody's out because it's such a great day. So we're going to see which direction we're going in. Absolutely better done on an electric bike. We're the only crazies out here with manpower on an actual bike. But we're doing it. Okay, you guys, we're at the Pinellas Trail. We had to walk our bikes up this steep hill, and then there's like a walkway that takes you over the traffic, but you're not taking that unless you got an e-bike. We call ourselves going to try to ride up there. Yeah, that didn't work. Look at me. I'm out here trying to get exercise, spending my Sabbath in nature. The bike ride is awesome. We really loved it, but you need an electric bike out here because it's no joke. The longevity of the trail, it like goes on forever. Like you can ride it for like 6 miles, 7 miles. Hey! And so you need almost like a motorized car bike on this thing. So that's on our wish list to get some bikes so we can take these trails a little bit more easier, but we're having a blast. Cedric's got the dogs. He's walking them around. He's got his bike. And Pepper and Noodle have been making people's day. They just love to see them. So we're going to finish at the trail. Stay with me. All right, you guys, and away we go. Good time to get out here before somebody come flying around the corner. Woo. Okay, you guys, we made it back to the truck. Get a doggy some water. We did 2 miles on this foot. So ecstatic. My husband loved riding his bike, and I love being out with him riding our bikes. We would love to have some e-bikes. So that's the next goal eventually, is to get one of those so we can go further. This trail goes like 6 miles back this way. And so we did 2 miles this way. And I am excited. So let's go see what else we can get into. Okay, you guys, this is like a bridge or a causeway that takes you over to Honeymoon Island. We stumbled across this after we left the trails, and it is a beautiful drive. As you can see, it is packed with people just enjoying the day. Today was about 82 degrees. It was pretty warm. And so there's a lot of people fishing. There's a lot of people swimming. And look up ahead. there is a motorhome. There are people RVing and camping out here. There's some vans as well as some motorhomes. And I believe I even saw a travel trailer. So it's a very popular spot. We plan on coming back to try to explore it a little more. We just stumbled across it and thought we'll drive over it. So I hope you guys enjoy the drive, enjoy the view, enjoy the water view, because it is beautiful. We got the window down. You can smell the salt air. It's just awesome. I love being near the water. So enjoy the drive, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, we had an amazing afternoon. This morning we rested and had some coffee and kind of just hung out at home. You guys saw us on the trail. Like I said, I apologize. I was really shaky. I'm not real good at riding the bike and holding my phone. I got to get a GoPro so I can strap it to the front of the bike. But honey, what do you think about all these e-bikes? Oh my goodness, nobody is technically riding bikes anymore.
Honestly, I think that we need an e-bike. I'm gonna be honest with you. They can be used for so many different purposes. Like for instance, this causeway or island or strip of land, whatever you want to call it.
The one y'all just saw.
You know, it basically is very congested with a lot of traffic.
Yes, it is.
Vehicle traffic. And so we are just now, I know you guys in time reference don't know how long we sat in traffic versus the video, but we sat in traffic for a pretty good little while just to turn around. We didn't even keep going to go see what was on the other side of the island. We
have to explore Honeymoon Island.
It is a really cool place, and even if right now we can flip the camera around and show you guys all of the traffic just coming this way.
Oh my goodness.
Very beautiful place. But in reference to what you were asking in the beginning about the e-bikes, I really do think that we need an e-bike. We could have parked at Publix, which we parked at Publix anyways, and we rode our bikes on the trail as you guys saw in the video. And that could have very well been something that we went and did that way on the e-bike and then turned around and went over on the island on the e-bike, because everybody was really using a bike. And I just think that will give us a lot more options when it comes to different adventures that we can take. People have things that you can tow on the back to take things, and coolers and saddlebags and phone holders.
I think one of the good parts about it is like this area is a walkable area. Like everything's kind of condensed into the area, so you can park and then go where you want to go, because there's golf carts and then there's e-bikes, and you're not having to drive and find parking everywhere you go, because you know some areas you paying to park there and it's crazy, and you gotta be worried about the meter and setting the timer.
And another thing is, if you guys saw in the video, is those trails are exclusive to the bikes. 20 miles per hour. So I mean, you can easily just take the trail for the bikes exclusively, and you know, still go and arrive at these places a lot quicker than you would in the car or the truck in our situation.
And you guys saw earlier in the video, everybody's on an e-bike just flying by, but it's totally worth it. That's our dream one day, that we're going to invest in trying to get some of those. But we just wanted to take you guys on our day. This is like a vlog, a day in the life of our boring lives. We didn't do much of anything. We just got on the bikes, took the trail, and then I was like, I wonder what's down this street, and it was Honeymoon Island. So we're definitely gonna have to come back and just spend some time there, and maybe do like a little take you guys with us and spend a day there and kind of see it. Being that we weren't gonna get out and explore it, it didn't make sense to keep going in traffic through there. But one day we're gonna go back there and take you guys with us. So we just want to thank you for watching us today and hanging out with us as we took the bike trail. And like I said, we only went 2 miles down on that trail.
It's a
right?
beautiful 2 miles though.
Yeah.
I mean, we took our time, we're going slow.
And it's flat. It's primarily flat.
A lot of people trying to cover ground to get to other places, you know, that are maybe a point of interest for them.
Yeah.
But for us, you know, we just kind of enjoying watching them enjoying themselves. I mean,
Exactly.
to be quite honest, it's not really a thing for me. The reason why I like riding a bike, I just like riding with Erica, because we've explored some really cool places on the bike, you know. So that's the reason why I like to do it, and I like to tow the pups in route, because they really do. People don't believe it sometimes, but they really truly do love to ride in this area.
They love it.
They love it. So that's the reason why I don't mind pedaling them, and it's not really that hard. It's just an e-bike would make it 10 times better.
Of course. Well, we thank you guys for taking a little mini getaway trip with us to ride bikes and hang out with us for the afternoon. And if you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and hit the thumbs up. Make sure you hit the notification bell. You never know where we might end up. Today we were on the bike trail and we just went oh my goodness, Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's so much to see here, and I'm not going to show you because I need stuff to keep showing you. So you're just going to have to subscribe, watch, like, and share. Thank you so much for watching this video and spending the day with us, or the afternoon with us. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye, guys.